Welcome to our video on 7 high-income freelancing skills that can earn you between $50 to $200 per hour. Let's dive into these lucrative opportunities. First up is AI automation. This skill involves using artificial intelligence to streamline processes and improve efficiency for businesses. Beginners can start by exploring online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. To find clients, consider joining freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With experience, you can earn between $70 to $150 per hour. Next is copywriting. This is the art of writing persuasive content that drives sales. Beginners can hone their skills through free resources like blogs and YouTube tutorials. Networking on LinkedIn can help you find clients. As a skilled copywriter, you can charge between $50 to $200 per hour. Our third skill is web development. This involves building and maintaining websites. Beginners can learn through coding bootcamps or online courses. Websites like GitHub and Stack Overflow are great for finding clients. Experienced web developers can earn between $70 to $150 per hour. Fourth is UI/UX design. This focuses on creating user-friendly interfaces and enhancing user experiences. Beginners can start by taking online courses and practicing with design tools like Figma. To find clients, showcase your portfolio on platforms like Behance. Skilled UI/UX designers can charge between $60 to $150 per hour. Fifth, we have video editing. This skill is essential for creating engaging content for various platforms. Beginners can learn through software tutorials and practice with free editing tools. You can find clients on freelance websites or social media. Experienced video editors can earn between $50 to $150 per hour. Next is paid ads management. This involves creating and managing advertising campaigns on platforms like Google and Facebook. Beginners can start by studying online courses and gaining certifications. Networking and joining marketing groups can help you find clients. As a paid ads manager, you can charge between $70 to $200 per hour. Finally, we have SEO consulting. This skill focuses on optimizing websites to rank higher in search engines. Beginners can learn through online resources and SEO tools. Finding clients can be done through networking and freelance platforms. SEO consultants can earn between $50 to $150 per hour. In conclusion, these 7 freelancing skills offer great income potential and flexibility. Start learning today, and you could be on your way to a successful freelance career. Thank you for watching.